Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro USD. The European currency tried to recover on Wednesday but gave up ground as the dollar pulled back on bets for an aggressive Federal Reserve approach to US inflation, which rose unexpectedly last month. US Labor Department data showed on Tuesday the headline consumer price index edged up 0.1% last month versus expectations for a 0.1% decline, while core inflation surged 0.6%. The inflation data stocked expectations the Fed could raise US borrowing costs faster, with some even speculating there could be a 100 basis point hike at the end of September meeting. Immediate support is seen at 0.9950, a break below could take the pair towards 0.9850. Next, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar was little changed against US dollar on Wednesday, holding near an earlier one-week low, as investors bet that the Fed would lift interest rates to a higher end point than the Bank of Canada. Money markets have priced in a terminal or a peak level for rates next year of about 4.25% for the Fed and 4% for the Bank of Canada, a more aggressive endpoint for both central banks after hotter than expected US consumer price data on Wednesday. Additional pressure on the Canadian dollar is exerted by the uncertain dynamics of the oil market. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.32 and upside break and trigger rise towards 1.3260. And finally, GBP/USD. Sterling gained against the dollar on Wednesday as British inflation unexpectedly eased for the first time in a year. Sterling has been hit hard this year by surging inflation, a looming recession, and concerns that tax cuts and increased public spending under a new government could increase price pressures. The slide in the currency, down more than 15% against the dollar in 2020, is also a headache for the Bank of England, since it increases the cost of imports and can cause more important inflation. Given the strength of the dollar, the pound still has little chance of rising. Immediate support is seen at 1.15. A break below could take the pair towards 1.14. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.